What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to create a sketch illustration of Hagrid from Harry Potter. Let's begin today's lesson by adding some guidelines in the center of our page. We're going to start by adding a line coming down the center. So we'll start at the very top of our page. Just bring our pencil down towards us, towards the very bottom. And then we'll add another guideline going across from left to right. We'll start in the center of our page, go out toward the left and right side. Now these guidelines are going to help us create a circle. From the center, let's go all the way up to the top. Just going to mark this off on the top of our circle. Let's take that same distance towards the bottom and do the same thing. Now I want to take that same distance over towards the left side. So let's mark off the left side of our circle. And again, taking that same distance towards the right. Now to create our circle, all we need to do is connect each of these points with a curve. So we'll start with the top left, going all the way around and then down. Now the circle doesn't have to be perfect. We just want to get the right size. I'm just going to bring that bottom line up a little bit higher. We can go back and just readjust the shape of our circle. Now from here, we're going to mark off the inside edge of the eyes. From the center, let's move over towards the left, draw a straight line coming down, and then we'll take that same distance towards the right and do the same thing. Let's connect these 2 points with a curve going across the brow, so we'll go up and then back down. Now I want to place the eyes just below this center line, so we'll start from this point, go up, and then bend that down towards the side, and then do the same thing on the right. Let's tuck the bottom of the eye in underneath. We're going to step up, come in, and then bend that up. Let's go back to the inside of the eye and curl up the brow, coming in and then up, just along the side of that center line. Let's add some shape to the eyebrows, starting back at this point, curve this up, and then back down towards that center line. Let's add a fold underneath the eyes. Starting from the left, draw a half circle, coming down and then up. Now from here, we're going to locate the bottom edge of the nose. So right here, sketch a straight line going across. And then in the center, draw a circle going up towards the top and then back down. Let's add 2 half circles on the side, along the bottom for the nostrils. And then between that circle and the nostril, draw a straight angle line going up and in towards the brow. Let's go back underneath the nostrils, curve the mustache going out and then down towards the side, towards the bottom of our circle. And then we'll trace that same curve along the inside. So step in, bending this up towards the middle, and then back down. Let's add another curve along the bottom for the lower lip, coming down and then up. Now let's go back out to the side and draw 2 straight lines along the side of our circle. So we'll start with the left. Bring this all the way down towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. Now extend this line up towards the top of our page. Now from here we start adding some shape to the beard and the hair. Let's start from the side of our circle, starting on the left. I'm going to bend this down and then in towards the center. Go to the right side and pull that in. Let's go back to the side of our circle, draw a straight angle line coming down and out. Now at the top of our circle, we're going to step down, start with a mark. Now draw the edge of the hairline going up and out towards the top of our circle. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add some volume to the top of the hair. Starting from the side of our circle, we're going to go up, bend that in towards the center along the top, go all the way across and then back down on the right. Now we move out to the side and curl the hair, going out and then down towards the side of our page. Now you want to go back and tuck the iris in underneath the eyelid. So start on the left, curl the eye coming down, and then up like a half circle. And do the same thing on the right. Once we're happy with our rough sketch, we're going to go back and lightly erase some of these guidelines. Now I'm going to move to the tip of our pencil and add some shape and detail to the eyes. Let's start with the left eye. So at the top of the eyelid, just bringing that down toward the side. And add a small fold along the top of the eye on the inside. And just work our way across the bottom. I'm going to darken up the outside, just fade that in. I'm going to go and just add that fold in the center. And darkening up the edge of the brow. I'm going to move to the side edge of my pencil and just add some volume and texture to the eyebrows. And using the tip of our pencil to add some texture inside. Just adding a light shade underneath the eyebrow, towards the eye. And just darken up the folds underneath. Just adding some wrinkles along the bottom of the eye. And we'll just shade in the side of the nose, working our way down towards the bottom. Now use the side edge of my pencil and add some texture to the mustache. Starting from the nose, just going to work our way down towards the lip. And working our way towards the outside. And going all the way across towards the right. Now working away from the bottom edge and up. Add the center seam of the mouth. And we'll just darken up the upper lip. And then just work the beard from the lip coming down. Now we're going to go back and start tracing out the outside of the iris. Sketch out a small highlight on the top right. And darken up the outside of the iris going around that highlight. And move out to the side and add some shape to the head. Just working around the inside edge of the beard. Just blending that in. And you want to darken up the side to create some shadow. And then feather the side of the hairline in towards the head. And I want to add a light shade to the inside of the head, starting with the forehead and just working our way across. And then from here, we're going to add some shadows. Just going around the cheekbones. Add some wrinkles in the center of the forehead. Now I'm going up and adding some volume to the hair. So again, we're just using the side edge of our pencil just to get the right shape and adding some texture. And we'll darken up the bottom edge to create a shadow. Now we're just going to roughly add some volume to the beard and the hair. Now to add that curly hair, we're just going to wiggle our pencil with the side edge and just get some rough texture going on in the inside. We'll do the same thing across the side of the head. And now we can use the tip of our pencil to refine that texture. Starting along the top. I'm going to darken up that shadow just underneath the nose, on top of the mustache. Now as we get near the end, we want to tighten up our contrast and add a little bit more detail, and always be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Hagrid. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.